Hello everyone, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a calculator, a command line calculator in Java that will allow you to input a number, input an exponent power, and it'll calculate that number to that exponent power. For example, if the user will input 3 for the number and 2 for the power, it will return 9 since 3 to the power 2 is 9. But before we begin this though, we need an input, and that is what this line here. For those of you who don't know, the scanner class is basically a class that creates an object that scans or detects inputs from a keyboard and then stores them in variables. So what we're gonna take but first to do that we have to create an option from the object from that class. So if you allow me, scanner system done. What I just did here though is create a new scanner object using the scanner constructor, and now this object will scan whatever numbers I input from the keyboard, or not just number characters too, depending on what you set the method as. So now that we have a scanner, now I'm going to create a new variable, int number. So that's our base number. Actually, I should not call this number. For those of you who are watching this for homework, keep it as base. So int base would be equal to uh, sc, which is the name of our scanner object, and this is where it gets important. Next int. So what this next int method does, it takes whatever is scanned from the keyboard using the scanner object and puts that value into the base. So if I type in 3, it'll scan 3 from the keyboard and set base equal to 3. Anyhow, sorry, I have a cold today. Let's see if we can use that. So that's for the base, and then we do the same thing for the power. Okay. Now for the answer, we create a new variable. Int answer is equal to it. This is where what did I just do, you're wondering. So this is a math class which exists in the java.lang file, which this class already belongs to. It has a method called the POW in it, or power, which basically takes two arguments, base and power, and it multiplies the base by the number of times the power is using a loop. So what happened though, it took the value from base and took the value from power scanned from the keyboard, and now it's taking base and putting it at the level of power, or multiplying it by itself by the value of power. So if you will, let me allow you to show you. Okay, so if we compile, ooh dang, one program and I'm already having a what identifier. Wait. Oh, I get it. I forgot to put the main method. For those of you who don't know, this is a method that will run the file. Whenever the compiler starts to compile this program, it's looking for the main method to run it from. So if I just add that here, there you go. So yeah, there you go. So now, my error. Now this main method doesn't return anything, so that's why I put void here. Void means that it's closed, and then it takes a string array as args, or arguments as its variable. So let's just test this out, shall we? Okay, there's no error. We're not done here though. We have to make this thing a bit more interactive. Let me align main string 4 to the power 4. There you go. And for those of you intellectuals who need proof, there you go. Oh wait, is that running? Yeah, I did. So that's basically the crux of it. But if you want to make this more friendly, because Amazon, Apple, they all believe in making programs more friendly for the users, just add a little prompt here for example, enter the base number, enter the power. So let's try again. There you go. Okay, so just look over, maybe take a screenshot of this file, rewind back, and comment down below where you feel like I could have explained or what you didn't understand. It's been boy Bruce Wayne. See you guys later.